There you go, Italian seasoning made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making Italian seasoning. Quick video, show you how to make real herb Italian seasoning. Unlike some of the tosh that's on the internet with all the garlic powders and everything else, that's an extra. Let's show you how to make real Italian herb seasoning. Now I'm going to make 200 grams, which is quite a bulk amount. In the recipe there will be a smaller amount as well, but we use a lot of Italian seasoning around here in our spaghettis, in our marinara sauce, in our sausages. Oh, we use it so much, and it's so fresh, it's so fragrant if you combine it all and make it yourself. So let's show you how to do it. Come on. For our Italian seasoning herbs, it can't be any easier at all. We have parsley, we have sage, in here we have marjoram, thyme, that is rosemary, that is oregano, and that is basil. And all we do is we get our dry herbs together and we chuck it all in a bowl. Mix it all up, stick it in a bag, stick it in a container, and that's it. So let's go through it. That is dried basil. That is oregano. The smell here already supersedes the smell that comes out of one of those jars. Right, this is rosemary. Now, what I'm going to do, as it goes in, I'm just going to give it a little scrunch and try and break some of those needles up. Now, it's not essential, when you actually use your seasoning, it's nice to have a bit of something in there, but some of these needles are a little bit long, and we're not chopping it all up. Thyme. This is very expensive here. This is marjoram. It smells incredible. We've got some sage and we've got some parsley, which is a luminous green for some reason. And then it is a case of let's mix it all together. Get all those herbs together in there. There you go, Italian seasoning made. I got one of these canning funnel things. We're going to hold that on there and we are just going to tip that in there. There is no smell coming out of one of those little canisters that matches the smell of coming out of here. So that is 200 grams in there of super high quality Italian seasoning. Made at home, 5 minutes. Lasts for 3 months or more, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months in the cupboard, whatever, it's already dried out. I can't say how long it will last, to be honest, because we use it all the time. So there you are, Italian seasoning made. If you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Hope it helps somebody. Catch you in the next video.